everyone, welcome to Corner Learner channel. Today I am going to discuss syllabus of Indian polity. So in the textbook, syllabus divided as a part 1 to part 11. First I will complete part 1 of the syllabus and add the subject. Okay, so see the syllabus of part 1. Here given constitutional framework. Okay, part 1 is a constitutional framework. Here historical background. In the historical background, we learned two things. First, the company rule from 1773 to 1858 and the crown rule 1858 to 1947. So here lot of acts we have that we learn in this topic. Okay, that are Regulating Act of 1773 and Pitt's India Act of 1784 and Charter Act of 1833 and 1853 and Government of India Act of 1858 and India Council Acts 1861, 92, 1909, 1909 also called as Parliamentary Reforms, and also Government of India Act of 1919, that is called Montagu-Chelmsford, and next Simon Commission, and also Government of India Act of 1935 and India Independence Act of 1947. So previous, if you see the previous question papers, lot of questions asked in the from the historical background of the constitution, mainly from these acts. Okay, so that we will discuss in our session. Next, making of the constitution. Okay, in the making of the constitution, we learn composition of the constitution assembly. So what is a constitution assembly and committees of the constitution assembly and enactment and enforcement. This all we learn in making of the constitution. Next, the third chapter we have salient features of the constitution. Okay. Next, preamble of the constitution. What is a preamble? Okay, keywords in the preamble, significance of the preamble. Is preamble is a part of the constitution or not a part of the constitution? Some cases are there, Barubari case like that. Those are very important. Those are previously asked questions, maybe in future also in expected questions also, that we learn in this chapter, preamble of the constitution. Okay, followed to that chapter, UTs, union and its territories. So union territories mentioned in the part 1 of the constitution and also covered the article 1 to 4. Okay, this is very important. So articles are very important. So next, citizenship. Okay, citizenship. In this citizenship mentioned in the part 2 of the constitution and article cover 5 to 11. Fundamental rights. Okay, fundamental rights. This is mentioned in the part 3 of the constitution and article 12 to 35. And next we have directive principles of state policy, very important. Here we learn conflict between the fundamental rights and directive principles. It mentioned in the part 4 of the constitution. Next, fundamental duties. Fundamental duties mentioned in the part 4A. So here I am saying part 4A means A. Okay, whenever you see the capital letter of A to Z, that is amended. Okay, so what is the amendment? That we learn in next chapter. Okay, and last, basic structure of the Indian constitution.